What's up guys, it's Akira, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys some tips and advice on how to glow up in 2018. Okay, now I did a video similar to this in the past. It was like how to glow up, but it was for 2016 and I was 16 years old when I did that, and from that time, you know, I've learned a lot. I've changed a lot.
Look at this dude.
I've got better at dressing.
Wait till you see the.
I got better at makeup. You know, I've just made a lot of overall improvements. I've just like learned so much in those 2 years, so I figured I'd give you guys some more advice and tips, just anything to really help you guys. If you guys do like this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below. And yeah, let's just get started. To me, a glow up is like just a lot of like self-improvements, like new growth within yourself. So that includes like just becoming a better person overall. So I think a glow up is just a better version of yourself. So when you have a glow up, you're just a better version of yourself. You're cuter, you have a better mindset, you have better goals, you just know what you're doing with yourself and you know what you're doing with your life. I feel like the term is up into your own interpretation, so whatever you think a glow up is, I feel like that's what it is, that's what it could be. So yeah. My first tip of advice is to be authentic. So what I mean by be authentic is like find the truth in yourself and find out what you like and do that. Don't copy off of other people, you know. I just think like people can really tell when you're trying to act like someone else, do what someone else is doing, just copy off someone else, and that's not cool. Like being a copycat is not cool and it's not fun, and people can tell. Just do your own thing and you're destined for success. My tip number 2 is to discover/experiment with yourself. And I know that may sound a little weird, like experiment with myself, like what? But by that I mean to just take time to figure out what you like, you know, what works for you. So whether you're relating that to hairstyles or clothing style, like what you wear, how you do your makeup, really just like, I don't know, try new things and then you'll be able to figure out what you like. You won't like know what you like or what you don't like if you constantly do the same thing. So I say, you know, just try out new things. Try out, you know, a shirt that you liked but you didn't think you could pull off, or try out a new hairstyle that you like that you didn't think you could pull off. There's a lot of like just new like looks and stuff like that I tried. Some of them I didn't like, but I wouldn't have known if I didn't try it. So I'm just glad. And I also think that will make you a lot more comfortable with yourself. So if you're insecure or you're uncomfortable trying new things, you know, actually like putting yourself out there and doing new things, trying out things you kind of liked but you didn't think you could do, will make you feel like a lot more comfortable. Yeah, and I just think this will help you know yourself better, because it's hard for other people to get to know you and understand you if you don't even know yourself, if you don't even understand yourself, you know. And yeah, just for this, don't be afraid to try new things, because you never know what's gonna work. Tip number 3 is to be your best self / take care of yourself, you know, treat yourself. By that I mean like keep your appearance nice, or whatever your version of nice is, like top notch. If you like to wear like makeup and do your hair nice and wear cute little outfits every day and that helps you feel like your most confident self, I say do that. Maybe you don't have to do it every day, but do it often, because I feel like we do our best when we feel our best. That's just kind of how I feel. You know, take care of your hygiene and your health. It's really important to, you know, eat really well and drink a lot of water. Or I don't know, people don't think that's important, but it's good for your skin, it's good for your hair, it's good, it's literally good for every single part of yourself. It's just amazing. Like that's what you should be doing. Water, drinking water all the time. When you're eating a meal, drink water. When you're reading a book, drink water. When you're watching TV, drink water. When you're listening to music, drink water. And taking care of your hygiene, I don't think like some people understand that that's like important. Hygiene is really important, because if you smell bad or you look bad, like you're not taking care of yourself, like other people are gonna see that, and you know, you don't want people thinking out here thinking you don't bathe, thinking you don't brush your tongue, like what? So just take care of your hygiene, take care of your health, take care of your body, because your body is a temple. Eat well and practice healthy habits. Another thing that goes in with being your best self and, you know, like treating yourself, being your best self, all of that, is that if you actually want to be, you know, happy and glowing and successful and thriving this year, you have to put in the effort. And I don't think some people understand that. You know, I'm the queen of procrastination, so I can understand that. If you want to be your best self this year, you're gonna have to put in the effort. So whether that comes to like appearance wise or just setting goals for yourself and actually like doing them, like completing them, just that's really important. that'll help you glow up. That'll speed up your glow process because you'll feel good, you'll be doing good, you'll be happy, you'll be glowing, like people will see it through you. So yeah. Tip number 4 is to surround yourself with positive energy. But by that I mean, you know, surround yourself with people who are happy and, you know, positive at least the majority of the time. Like, everybody has their days, but don't be around like people who are constantly negative, people who are just bringing down your mood. So if you have friends who are just being negative all the time, you know, don't have them in your life because they're not helping you prosper in any way or become a better you. And that's what we want to do. Like, that's what this whole video is about, is just becoming our better selves. And those people aren't going to help you. They're just not. Tip number 5 / piece of advice number 5 or whatever, is that mistakes do not define you. Making mistakes is a part of your glow process. You know, you're going to endure failure. You're going to have some like bad friends in your life, you're gonna have some negative experiences, but you can't like let those things define who you are as a person, because you're growing and glowing and improving every single day, whether you know it or not. I'm telling you. So now you know. That's really important to the glow process, to actually, you know, make mistakes so that you can improve and do better just in the future. Okay, and my last tip of advice is to love yourself. And I know that's like a process. It's not just something you wake up the next day and be like, oh, I love myself. Like, you know, self-love is something that you have to like gain over time and just get better at. I feel like loving yourself is literally key. No improvements can be made within yourself if you don't already love yourself. If you're not comfortable with who you are as a human being, it's just not gonna happen. Just always remind yourself that you're amazing and you're beautiful and capable of doing anything, because you actually are. If you guys want like a whole separate video on that, let me know. Just comment down below. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below, and I will see you guys later with another video. Bye. All I got is these